like body with it, and you can carry off any saree with ease and walk. So friends, hello and welcome back to my channel Food and Living, and I'm Shweta. In today's video I'm going to review a saree shapewear that I bought from Zivame. I'm going to tell you all about the saree and how this shapewear can be useful to you also. So I bought this saree shapewear from Zivame. They have sale going on. I'll also put the link in the description so that you can check it out, and you can also buy from that link. There is currently offers going on, so this is why I'm making this video, so that you can also make use of the offers and buy the saree shapewear also because it's wedding season and a lot of functions are coming up, and also festivals and many marriages are happening. So I bought this to try. This was there on my mind for a long time, and I thought finally I will give it a try. So the main reasons I thought I should go for a saree shapewear is because it can be very seamless. It can give you a very good shape to your body, and it can also keep the bulges out, which is every girl's dream, I think. So same reason I also went for it. When you might be having some doubts about it, like can I is it really comfortable like the normal saree petticoat that we wear, and can it really hold the saree weight, and can I really sit and walk around easily? So these were the common doubts that even I had, and believe me, it is definitely possible to do all of these things. The first one is, can it hold the weight of the saree, silk saree? Yes, definitely it can. And does it feel very uncomfortable? The basic question. I definitely think it is very very comfortable, better than the cotton ones. So the instant reaction of me after trying it for the very first time was that this is very nice. So the next thing is it can it hold the shape of the saree? I tried wearing it with the saree, and definitely it can hold the weight. And does that really make you look slimmer and gives a mermaid shape like it says? Definitely it can make the saree look much prettier and much petite for sure, for which you can definitely go ahead for this type of saree petticoat. And can I sit with it? Yes, you can. It is definitely very comfortable. Can I walk with it? Yes, again, you can very well walk with it. It is very very comfortable. And again, there are many brands and many different variations, and you also get it in different colors, so you can definitely go ahead and try. I bought this in basic color, and let's see how it goes. So my first reaction after trying was definitely good. I have tried sitting with it, I've tried walking with it, and it is definitely not uncomfortable. You can wear it for half a day or one day also. I've tried it for the whole day, but you can definitely wear it for half day or pretty much for any function. You go and come back, that will be sufficient also. And the material is super soft, and it is elastic, and I have bought it in the size L, which is that you go with the size after measuring your waist, and then you can maybe go a little over the size, so that you're not feeling very uncomfortable. At the same time, definitely this is not loose and the saree is not going to fall off. Definitely you can't pin the saree to this. That is one thing that you can't do. Apart from that, I definitely think it's a must try, and it can also, because it comes with a proper shape lifting. It gives a proper shape because it's got a very broad waistband. So the drawstring that we use generally for all the petticoats, and that chaffing will not happen. And also it can shape your abdomen, your rear and your sides. So what it does is it can shape the abdomen area where we have the normal bulge, the stomach bulging out. That is where we feel uncomfortable most of the times. And also on the rear, it has a it gives a proper shape on the rear, and also on the sides it can make you look slimmer and petite. So definitely yes, you can go ahead and try this. You can also have extra cashback from cashkaro app, through which I also purchased, so you have double savings that way. Because it has got flares below, you can easily walk around in the saree. Some of them also have a slit. This one does not have, but it is still comfortable. And if the length is an issue, you can also fold a little and wear. For short girls like me, that definitely can again hold the weight, and it does not come off. So that I tried, and I'm telling you this. So I'm definitely happy with this product and this purchase. Video will also talk about a few tummy tuckers also. Even this can work as a tummy tucker, and this also can work as a tummy tucker. So you can definitely go ahead and try this saree shapewear. I'll also leave the link below from which you can also purchase this. Do definitely try, and you can also watch all my other videos like the saree, how I wear different type of sarees, and you can also see how I organize my sarees. Apart from that, you can also watch tasty recipes that I have posted on my channel. And if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care. Link all the links in the description, so definitely check it out and get the discount, and also can save a little more on your shopping. So do stay tuned to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and hope you all like this video.